Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jess. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe before you leave. Down below, I upload beauty, fashion, lifestyle, hair, food, all types of videos here on my channel. If any of that interests you, I hope that you would stick around. Also, while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps spread my channel here on YouTube and grow the family. So I would really appreciate that as well. But for today's video, we have a new product alert. Pew, 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 pew. Do I have it with me? Oh, I do. It's over here. Hold on. Excuse me. Hello. Yes, I'm in my PJs as well because it's late. This is the MIELLE Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. So we're going to go ahead and try this out for today's video, but if you guys are interested, let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, so we're going to go ahead and get started. This is what the product looks like. It's just a white cream. That's what she said. But this says it is the MIELLE Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. I'm really excited. I feel like this is going to be super moisturizing, super hydrating. So let us see what the directions say. Apply to hair working from ends to the root. Allow conditioner to stay in your hair overnight. Apply shower cap for added protection. Rinse conditioner in the morning prior to shampooing. So I don't know how you would sleep in this overnight if you didn't put a shower cap on. Unless you want to get your pillowcase all dirty on your pillow. That's on you, sis, but do you. This was $10.99 from my beauty supply store. I got this a really long time ago, but when I got it, I got this months ago. This is really bad. I got this months ago because I still have my braids in. That's why I couldn't use it, and I got my braids in the summertime, you guys. I did my braids in the summer. So, you know, your girl is just really on top of things. But this says that I can't see because my lights are like, and this is reflective. I'm like, I can't see. Our Hawaiian Ginger Overnight Conditioner is the perfect solution for additional moisture and hydration your hair desperately needs. Not only are you restoring your hair while sleeping, but you are giving your hair a jump start for the next day. This conditioner is great for protecting hair from split ends and leaves the hair feeling soft and silky. Infuse with ginger and avocado to detangle, restore moisture, and to bring life back to dry, thirsty strands. I love that for us. So I'm really excited. I've never tried anything like this before. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split my hair into two. I've washed my hair like a week ago. That's usually how far I'm going right now with my hair journey, just because I've been so busy. I've not been able to co-wash or anything, but I also have not been able to go to the gym, so my hair hasn't been getting as dirty as it would if I was like exercising regularly, if that makes sense. So I've been able to stick to the once a week, and I feel like I really do like the once a week. I don't feel like my hair midweek gets dirty enough for it to warrant a co-wash, but we shall see when things get different. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair to like 3 sections. So I'll just take this big of a section. Do I have my clips? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I have one clip. Oh, the other clip is in my hair. Guys, it is 8:27 p.m. I never film this late, so I feel like I'm a whole different person, honestly. So I'll show you guys the consistency. It is a conditioner consistency, so, you know, right on par. It looks like this, kind of looks like yogurt. It smells delicious. I didn't think about the Hawaiian ginger part of it, but it smells really good. So it smells. Apply working from ends to root. I just applied that right on my root. So let's work our way up, shall we? It doesn't say how much to add or if you should dampen your hair or anything. So I'm not going to do it, but I feel like this would be a really great pre-poo. Not pre-poo, like an add your oils to your pre-poo. Guys, it's late. It's so funny how I'm saying 8:27 is late. Like, the night is still young, but I'm over here like a grandma. Like, it's so late. So that's funny. I am just adding more to this section. I really want to focus on my new growth, but it feels good. It feels like I'm adding conditioner to my hair. It's not super heavy, but it's not super lightweight either. And I feel like my hair is literally soaking it up because I applied some to my tips and it's like almost like dry. So I'm going to apply a little bit more there. And then I'm going to add some more to the next section. I'm like, do what makes you happy, boo. Like, whatever tickles your fancy, you do that. So, like I said, I'm applying it to the root and working my way up. Working my way uptown on my hair, putting in conditioner. I can't sing it completely because, you know, I might get copyrighted. But, yeah. So this feels really good. Like I said, I want to really apply it to my new growth. The thing that I love most about pre-pooing, it really helps my new growth and really helps me stretch my relaxer. If you guys didn't know, usually use the VO5 passion fruit smoothie moisturizing conditioner, I believe it's called. That's my fave. I get it from the dollar store. It's $1. It's the best pre-poo that I found, honestly. So, but yeah, it's feeling really, really good. I can't tell you if it feels any different on my new growth, because I do have a decent amount of new growth. My last relaxer was Halloween, or like the day before Halloween, I think. So, no, it feels good. So far, so good. I just think that my new growth is just like soaking it up. That's what the problem here is. My new growth is super dry all the time. So, I'm just going to go ahead and add some more hair down. Tips. Work your way up. I don't know why I'm singing everything, guys. Have you guys heard that Hamilton is becoming a movie, Hamilton the play? I love Hamilton, you guys. I love Lin-Manuel Miranda. Fun fact, have never seen Hamilton, but I know the entire play by heart. Like, I have watched so many, like, shows on YouTube of it, like, obviously off-Broadway productions. And I know every line. I listen to the soundtrack in the shower pretty much every night. It was like my most played on my Spotify for 2019, which I found hilarious. But it's honestly true. Like, I listen to it every night in the shower pretty much because it's just such a good freaking show. And I've never seen it, but they're coming out with a movie of the play with the original cast. And it's not until 2021, and it's literally the beginning of 2020, and I cannot wait for 2021. Like, that is going to make my entire year. I cannot wait. So we're all saturated. The middle of my hair always gets so dry. That's why a lot of the times you see me with like, the cornrow braids and stuff, because I like to moisturize the middle of my head. Like, just right here gets so dry. I feel like I talk about it in every video, but it just gets so dry. So that's why a lot of the times you see me with like middle hairstyles, because I want to moisturize the middle of my hair. So this is what it's looking like. I think it looks good. My edges feel real soft already. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, Mielle. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off camera so I can watch a little bit of the originals. And I will be back to show you guys what we're looking like. And then I'm going to head to bed, sis. So I will see you guys when this side is done. Okay, guys. So we are all conditionered up. I did use quite a bit of it. I made a little bit of a dent. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. There we go. You can see it a little better. My lights are so bright, especially at night. But I made quite a dent, but like I said, if this works out, I'm definitely going to add some oils to this the next time that I do this, because I just personally love adding avocado oil and olive oil to my pre-poos. I just feel like it really takes any pre-poo to the next level. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this conditioner off my shirt, and I'm gonna go ahead, go to bed, sleep on this, and we'll see you in the morning. I'll see you in the morning once I wash this out. So I'll see you guys in the morning. A whole sleep for me, 1 second for you. Good morning, guys. I just rinsed out the pre-poo, and we're gonna take down the hair, see how we're doing. But my hair feels really good. I really enjoyed the mask. I slept in it perfectly fine. I didn't have any issues or anything like that. I just put a shower cap on over it and then put my bonnet on, and it was perfectly fine. No issues at all. But this is what my hair is looking like. It feels really, really nice. My new growth feels really moisturized, and it just feels like, you know, like I did a pre-poo, which I really, really enjoy. So it feels moisturized. It feels like, you know, my hair got a good, like, you know, deep coating of product. So let's see. Let's look at the claims again to see if it did everything that it said, of course. So it says, where did it say? Okay, so it says, not only, it's okay, perfect solution for adding moisture and hydration your hair desperately needs. Not only are you restoring your hair while sleeping, but you are giving your hair a jump start for the next day. This conditioner is great for protecting your hair from split ends and leaves hair feeling soft and silky. It did. So yeah, I feel like my hair is very dry and silky. It feels, you know, like I did a pre-poo. I think that adding my oils to this is going to just kick this up like 5 notches. I really wanted to sit under my heating cap with this to see like if it gave like any additional benefits, but I just wanted to give the conditioner kind of its time to shine a little bit before I went ahead and like switched everything up. And you know, this is a first impression, not like how I use this product. So I think I will definitely come back and let you guys know how it also performs when I add all of my oils, and if I sit under my heating cap with it and everything like that. I think that this will like take it to like the next level. But it's good on its own is also what I'm saying. Like, you don't have to add oils and stuff to it in order to make your hair feel really hydrated and moisturized. My new growth feels amazing. My relaxed hair feels really, really strong and moisturized. I think that this is an awesome product for the winter months, especially if you have like dry and thirsty hair like I do. So yeah, overall, I have no complaints about this. It worked super well. My hair feels really well. I believe that the claims of this overnight conditioner are true. So yeah, I love this, really, I really do. So it is a little bit more expensive, obviously, than my VO5 conditioner, so I don't think I would use this like every week as a pre-poo, maybe like when my hair needs like serious moisture. But yeah, I really enjoyed it, so thumbs up Mielle. And yeah, I really enjoyed this. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below before you leave. If you are new here, I hope that you would stick around and like this video as well. And I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Mwah. Bye.